Hello, and welcome to week 48 of the weekly declutter challenge. This week we're going to declutter our shoes and our slippers. Yes, I know this can be a very hard task. I am speaking from experience. So the first thing we're going to do is lay out all of our shoes. It's best to just get them all out together in one location. Next, we're going to go through them and see which ones actually fit and which ones are comfortable and that we still need. Now, oftentimes you may find that you may have multiples of the same shoe and you may have forgotten you had that shoe, but now you see you don't need 20 pair of black pumps. Now you're going to donate or separate the ones that you're going to keep, donate, or toss. And last but not least, you're going to organize your shoes and put them where they belong. So I do know how hard this is. A few weeks ago, I actually did that exact same thing in my own closet, and I will leave a link to that YouTube video below so you can see. But with this declutter challenge, we are going to work at one room at a time, 1 week at a time. So please follow the declutter challenge on Instagram, and then also if you are in the private Facebook community, leave your questions, comments, concerns, or anything that you need. Thanks very much. And don't forget to join the Declutter Challenge. Thank you and have a divine day. Goodbye.